welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Amina, and if you're a new subscriber, welcome to the family. Thank you for stopping by the channel. Today's video is a tutorial on how I achieved this Eid inspired makeup look, because I know my girlies are ready to slay on Eid day, so I decided to create this look. I really like how everything turned out. I kind of used some new products today, so I'm going to leave the details about the products I used in the description box. I decided not to do a talk through video, so this video is not long, but yeah, look at this. This is giving. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. And I hope when you guys try this on Eid day, you guys tag me on your videos, on your pictures. Let me see your slay. I am looking forward to all of those amazing looks. So yes, without any delay, let's get right into it.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I'm not falling, I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going live. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. Back a year ago. I see her rolling up, Uber black Cadillac, high heel boots and a sexy body full of tats. Baby's bad, oh baby's hella bad. After her there ain't no coming back. Wanna take a run at that. I think she's feeling me, turn it up a few degrees. My imagination of her body gets the best of me. Oh gosh, she's such a tease, bitten lips, bruised knees. I'm addicted to her, need her touching me, cause she got a bad little waist. And we tearing down this place, off the liquor that we chase. Got some egos to the face, baby, I don't need no space. Coming closer for a taste, and I'll show you how I make everything just fade away. Cause she's like sex, drugs, cocaine, body so insane. Jealous of the clothing that she wears up on that tight frame. All game, no shame, baby came here to play. I feel like an addict cause she's sex, drugs, cocaine.
That is the sun for me. The sun is shining through, and that's it for this video, you guys. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, because I'll be back with much more interesting videos, tutorials, lifestyle videos with reviews and all of that. But for today, this is how everything turned out, and I think I really like how everything turned out, you guys. Let me know what you guys think about this look, and if you'll be trying this look out anytime soon, especially on Eid Day. Eid Mubarak, y'all. And don't forget to make the world a better place. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.